Hi friends, I'm going to read another story today. Today, the book I chose was Fidgety Fish. Fidgety Fish by Ruth Galloway. I like this story with all of the bright colors that you see. And when you think of fish and you think of the ocean, you think of warm weather, and I'm really hoping that it's going to start to warm up soon. And I don't know about you, but I know my kids and myself, we're getting a little fidgety in our homes. So I thought we'd read a cute little story just to take our mind off of things for a little while. Okay? All right, let's get started. Fidgety Fish by Ruth Galloway. Tiddler was always fidgeting. He wriggled and squiggled. He darted and giggled. Until his mom got fed up. Go out into the sea and swim till you're tired. But watch out for the big fish, she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. He dived and he flipped. He leaped and he dipped. He sped faster than a rocket and glided gently like a swan, letting the sea currents fan his fins. But he still didn't feel tired. The sea was full of the most interesting things. There were limpets that clung and jellyfish that stung. There was a big, big starfish that didn't do much at all. "Hello," said Tiddler, nudging the starfish gently with his nose. The starfish didn't answer. It didn't even move. A crab sidled by, clicking and clacking its big claws. Tiddler wanted to play with it, but the crab scuttled off and disappeared into the seaweed. Tiddler came to a big, dark cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, and so Tiddler swam in. Snap! Everything went dark. Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. He trembled and he shivered and he shook and he quivered until the big fish's tummy began to feel very funny. It rumbled and it grumbled and it turned and it tumbled. It fluttered and it groaned and it mumbled and it moaned. Suddenly, the big fish burped and burped. Whoosh! Out shot Tiddler. He shot past the jellyfish and the clickety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish and straight through his front door. "I hope you used up all that energy," said Mom. But she would have to wait until the morning to hear all about his adventures, because Tiddler was already fast asleep. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed my story, The Fidgety Fish. I hope you enjoyed all the beautiful colors that you saw too. And I hope it helped you take your mind off of things for a little while and just enjoy the story. I'll see you next time.